Hey everyone, Tony Winston here. I cannot believe I've never covered this song on this channel. I must have done 1,000 videos or close to 1,000, and I haven't done Fly Me to Your Room. I know I've covered it a little bit when I was like covering those Amy Nolte top 25 songs, or maybe when I was talking about drop 2, or maybe when I was talking about tritone substitution or something. But I am going to dedicate at least 5 videos to this song, and the first one is for a viewer who wrote in. It's a young person, needs to play and sing this song coming up. So I don't know what his experience level is, so I'm going to give a very simple version of how you could do this. We're going to take the chords and we're going to play like exactly the same voicing for the chord on just about every chord. So I've got the root here, the 7th, the 3rd, and the 5th, and I'm just going to move this around to the different chords. All right? Because we're in the key of C, there's going to be a lot of white keys. This will be easy. And then you could put that C7th in real quickly, but don't let that mess you up. F major, or you could do it up here. Even the B minor 7 flat 5 is going to work just fine. However, when we get to E, it's E dominant 7th, so it has to have that G sharp in it, and of course that's in the melody as well. And then down to A minor. Now, this is not really smooth voice leading, but the melody is very smooth, so I think this will work just fine. And I'll try to sing a little bit, though it's about 8 o'clock in the morning here, and I haven't really woke up yet. And another thing about these voicings is that it avoids playing the melody on the top note. So that's usually a good thing to do when you're accompanying yourself. All right. Fly me to the moon and let me play among the stars. Let me know what spring is like on Jupiter and Mars. A dominant, and then here we go for some more. In other words, hold my hand. Could just go to A7 here. In other words, baby, kiss me. Fill my heart with song and let me sing forevermore. You could just motorboat it like this. You are all I long for, all I worship and adore. In other words, please be true. All right, that's kind of an easy way to change there, or you could just come down and do A7 this way. In other words, I did that already. In other words, please be true. In other words, I love you. Okay? And to put a little ending on it, please be true. In other words, I love you. All right, make it a little more complicated like this. Or even this. So I'm not going to spend a lot of time editing this video because I want it to get out to my man as soon as I can, but I'm going to do at least 4 or 5 other videos on this. I'm going to cover things like drop 2. Let's see what I can do there. Do some reharm, do some tritone substitution. Stuff. We're going to do rootless voicings. We're going to do a bass line. We're going to take a solo on it. We're going to have a lot of fun with this song. And anyway, it's a very, very popular song. I mean, if you play jazz piano in this style, do a lot of standards, this will be your number one request. I can almost guarantee it. All right, thanks everyone. Stay tuned.